It's me, Ramay. I'm enjoying Rwanda. If you want to see the heart of Africa, make sure to come to Rwanda. The people are quite friendly here, to be honest with you. Rwanda is Rwanda. You can't go wrong with Rwanda. I love Rwanda. It's a country to be loved, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm really liking it, to be honest with you, Rwanda. There's like so much stuff to see, so much stuff to do. If you like gorilla, you can easily come and see the gorilla, to be honest with you, but you need to apply the permit. If you're asking me, should you come to Rwanda for a visit, definitely come with your family. Rwanda is nowadays clean. The president have did a lot of development. You can't go wrong with Rwanda, to be honest with you. To be honest with you, right now Rwanda is rising. There's like quite nice country. I'm liking it. Currently I always come to visit my friend house. As you can see, the road is still being constructed. Yeah, I will be telling you, yes, come to Rwanda. You will be enjoy, you'll be happy. Subscribe and bye.